Okay, in topic 2, we're going to be talking about adding and subtracting fractions, especially in topic 2-1. Now, there is only one rule for adding or subtracting fractions. One step, and that is to line up the decimals. It's hard to write with a mouse, sorry. Line up the decimals. That's only for adding and subtracting decimals. So you can't line them up by having them from left to right. So you're going to have to rewrite the problems from top to bottom to line up the decimals. So go ahead and push pause and copy these 4 problems down. Okay, here's the first one. Go ahead and line up the decimals and see what answer you come out with. So pause it right now and do it. Okay, so you have to be careful because one thing that's different is that we're using money sign. So we have $18.25 and we have $7.99 and we have $4.75. Now the decimals are lined up. So here we have 5 plus 5, which is 10, and 10 plus 9 is 19. Carry the 1. 7 plus 9 is 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. 18 plus that 1 is 19 again. Bring down the decimal so you don't forget it. Carry the 1. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 4 is 20. Oh, sorry, 15 plus 4 is 19. 19 plus 1 is 20. So we put the 0 down and carry the 2 up. 2 plus 1 is 3. And bring down the money sign. Go ahead and circle your answer. And did you get $30.99? Awesome job.
The only reason you're still alive is that I find your stupidity mildly amusing.
Well, thank you. But I find your evilness extremely annoying.
Okay, now we have subtraction. So go ahead and push pause and see what difference you come up with for 35 and 7/10 subtract 14 and 8/10. Once again, write it from top to bottom. Line up the decimal. And now we're going to subtract. We can't take 8 from 7, so we have to take one set of 10 from 5. That leaves 5 with just 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. So we're going to take that set of 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. Now we can take 8 from 17. 17 minus 8 is 9. Bring down the decimal. You can take 4 from 4 and get 0. And you can take 1 from 3 and get 2. My final answer that's circled is 20 and 9/10. Did you get that? Awesome.
The only reason you're still alive is that I find your stupidity mildly amusing.
Well, thank you. But I find your evilness extremely annoying.
All right. So go ahead. Now we have 4 numbers. So go ahead and push pause and see what answer for the sum of this answer you get. All right. So once again, we have 1 and 5/100. Now, what's that called? That's not a decimal, that's a whole number. And what place value is it in? It's in the ones place. What comes after a 3? You don't see it, but it's there. You have a decimal, and you can add zeros. How do you say this number? You say 3, no matter what. Okay? So you got to line up a decimal, so we're going to add a decimal and the zeros. Bring down the 4 and 28 hundredths and the 95 hundredths. Then I'm going to add it. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. Carry the 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Bring down the decimal. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. So my answer that is circled is 9 and 28 hundredths. Did you get that? Awesome.
The only reason you're still alive is that I find your stupidity mildly amusing.
Well, thank you. But I find your evilness extremely annoying.
Okay, so go ahead and push pause and see what difference you come up with for this problem right now. Okay, notice we are subtracting. So we write 9 and 4 hundredths. And we subtract 6 and 98 hundredths. And we have to subtract. So we actually cannot take 8 from 4, so we have to take a set. But this guy doesn't have anything. We're just going to act like he does. So we're going to take a set of 10. All right. And that leaves 10 plus 4 is 14. Now, because he didn't have anything, we have to take a set from here. Okay, so that leaves 8. Now, because this guy borrowed a set of 10 that wasn't there, and now he has 10, he took a set, so that leaves 9. And 9 we can take from 9. So 8, take 8 from 14, and we get 6. We take 9 from 9, and we get nothing. Put a 0 down. Bring down the decimal. 8 minus 6 is 2. And our final answer circled is 2 and 6 hundredths. Did you get that? Great job. All right. You pretty much probably already knew the rule, but a little practice wouldn't help, a little RPMs. So we'll talk about it a little bit tomorrow. I will see you tomorrow.
The only reason you're still alive is that I find your stupidity mildly amusing.
Well, thank you. But I find your evilness extremely annoying.